I came in here today and you were like, big story. And we had an email in our inbox about it that Jack forwarded. So that must have meant that it was big.
Mm-hmm. Big news.
And yeah, just a little bit of chatter about it because it's kind of unprecedented. Warner Brothers for 2021 will debut its films. Will. I need to be clear on this. What you would have normally seen in the cinema on HBO Max.
Yeah, it's debuting on cinema as well.
Yes, but debut, not a week later.
Right.
Not a month later. Online.
Yeah.
Online debut, HBO Max.
But alongside theaters.
Alongside,
too, right?
fine.
Yeah, okay. Okay. I was getting confused there.
Alongside, fine.
Yeah.
This is the thing that we've always wanted, right?
Digital.
I would watch so many more movies if you had the build up and the hype and the marketing and you can get it right now. Because for me, you know, I haven't been to the movie theater and nothing against the experience. Like, I love a movie theater experience. I just can't carve it out. I can't do it. Then COVID, then everything. And it's just, it's not going to happen. I don't think my life is going to turn around the mechanics of my life. I got people.
Yeah.
I got a household. I got sports, you know, with the kid. I just got, So, however, it doesn't mean I don't want to catch the film. I just need it to be as efficient as possible. Like, what is this? Is this a picture from, is that picture from Dune?
Yeah, this is Dune.
Is that Dune? See, I want to watch Dune. Can't I watch Dune?
Yeah.
In the comfort of my own home?
Well, now you can.
And who's going to give it to me?
HBO.
Is this an ad? Is this an ad?
Oh, yeah.
They actually are, full disclosure, a sponsor of this show. Yes. But this is awesome news for them. It's a deal between Warner Media and HBO Max. It may or may not be a permanent strategy, but at least for 2021, they will be debuting their films. It's a huge inventory of films. I actually feel like Jack would be interested in this. Did you hear this news, Jack? This is big stuff.
What are some of them, now that we have a list here?
Here's in addition to Dune, The Matrix 4, The Suicide Squad, In the Heights, and Space Jam: A New Legacy, the new Space Jam. Other Warner Bros. Titles that will drop on HBO Max include a mix of Oscar hopefuls, Judas and the Black Messiah, The Many Saints of Newark, King Richard, and Cry Macho, and major blockbuster sequels, Godzilla vs. Kong, The Conjuring, The Devil Made Me Do It.
Is HBO Max on top of HBO, like, is it an extra subscription?
Yeah, HBO Max is a dedicated streaming platform. Yeah. It's crazy for them to cut this deal, though. I mean, it's a huge advantage for them over the other streaming services.
And theaters. AMC is pissed.
Oh, right. And theaters. And theaters. Yeah,
like,
the theaters got to be really worried about this.
Yeah.
And the theaters have tried to fight back in the past and say, we're going to try to punish you for making these type of choices.
Yeah.
But it's, man, with the current state of affairs in the world, what else are you going to do? You spend all this money on these films that have been in production for how long, Will?
Yeah. Well, they say that the theaters are saying, hey, there's a vaccine coming in 2021. Let's just keep it in theaters, please. And apparently, you know, this is unfortunate for theaters, I guess.
This, you know, some of this has to do with Tenet, right? That was their movie as well.
Tenet,
yeah.
Yeah.
They wanted to keep the movie theater concept alive, but you know that film did not meet the expectations with the box office.
Of course, yeah. It's just normal.
Oh, I have not seen this movie, but Jack is looking for spoilers in the comment section. He wants someone to explain to him what happened in that movie. I haven't seen it yet. See, if it was on HBO Max, I would have watched it.
Yeah.
When it came out with all the hype and the promo, because that's the problem, Will. It's like this. You know when these boxing matches happen? Tyson and Jones Jr. that just happened? A lot of it is the build-up and then the event. And then I'm sitting there and I'm like, all right, fine. I'll watch it.
Yeah.
If it already happened, I'm like, ugh, I missed it. This is the feeling I'm having around films in the COVID era, is that I get it. It will end up on a streaming platform eventually, but I wasn't there for the event. I'm not talking about it the next day.
Right.
I'm not chatting with you. I think, did you guys get to the theater to see Tenet? You must have, obviously.
I didn't. No.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah.
Was it a mask
just wait.
situation or what was it? Oh, okay. It was just distanced. It was a socially distanced movie theater. Anyway. Yeah, so in this new era, the only way to create an event is going to be online because you can't pack humans in a place.
Yeah.
And it's unfortunate, but we can't get rid of the event idea, making it an event. You got to have something like that. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. I'm excited. I'm actually going to watch the Dune thing now.
So you're most excited about Dune?
I'm going to watch the Dune thing.
Okay. All right.
What about you? Is there another title in there that was more exciting than Dune to you?
Matrix 4?
That
sounds interesting.
Yeah, I like the Matrix. Yeah. But can we do 4 of them though?
I think so.
We can do 4. Okay.
Yeah, they're great.